Hey, Mike here, and I'm going to talk about the top 3 barriers that people have when it comes to investing in real estate and how to overcome it. So, barrier number 1 is people don't see the benefit to actually pursue it. And this comes down to you don't know what you don't know. It can seem complicated, but if you really take a look at it from a numbers perspective, if I had my money and I invested it in the bank, what type of return would I get? Maybe 1%, maybe half a percent. If I invested in the stock market, the average stock market return over the last however many years is probably about 10% per year. In real estate, the types of returns that you could potentially expect are 10% plus. When we work with investors, we really start at about a 10% projected. This is cash on cash return. And we've seen investment properties that go into 20%, 30%. And if you're doing short term rentals, the potential is even higher. So, would I rather put my money in something that potentially could get 10% return or something that could get 20, 30, 40% return or higher? And a lot of people don't understand that that can happen. And that's just the cash return on the money that you're investing. The other opportunity of investing in real estate is appreciation, which can be 8%, 10% or more per year. And that's on the full value of the home. So a $300,000 home, if it appreciates at 10% in a year, that's $30,000. And I have leveraged money. I don't have $300,000 sunk into my house. I maybe only have 5%, 10%, 20% into the house, and I'm still making that $30,000 appreciation. You have that, you have tax, depreciation benefits, and all sorts of other things. So, really, your actual realized return on real estate could be higher. Now, I'm not an investment advisor, and so don't take my word for it, but those are some of the returns that some of the investors that I've worked with are seeing. Barrier number 2, we don't have enough money. A lot of times people think, okay, if I'm going to invest in a $300,000 property, if I need 25% down, that's $75,000. I don't have $75,000. I can't do that. And I'm here to tell you that that's absolutely false. You can find ways to use the money that you have. You can partner with somebody, or you can find possibly an investment friendly lender or somebody that does a hard money loan might be able to find a way to do a loan for you for less than that. How do you find out? You have to ask. You have to talk to people, talk to banks, talk to lenders, talk to real estate agents, and find out what programs are out there and how can I find a way to utilize my money. We also have options where if you want to be a silent partner in real estate, you can do that. There's funds out there that you can invest in that will take any amount of money that you have. Or if you do have something small, find somebody that wants to work with you and possibly do a flip together, possibly put a pool of money together that you guys can work with. So there's ways to find. If the right property is there, the money will show up and your piece of the pie doesn't have to be the full amount. Put your need out there to the world. People won't know unless you say something about it. So if you're looking to partner with somebody on a rental property, put that out there. Tell people, I'm looking to partner on a rental property. Does anybody know somebody looking to partner? Barrier number 3, you don't know where to start. You don't know what property to choose. So really the tip to overcome that is start looking. If you go on websites, you can find rental property investment calculators and just start putting in some numbers in some properties. Just grab something, whether it's your favorite home search website, just go look at a single family home, go look at Craigslist or apartments.com and find out what some potential rents are and just start plugging in numbers to a calculator. You'll be surprised how comfortable you'll get with it when you actually start doing the work. And so you don't know until you start. So the key is get started. Find that calculator, start plugging in some numbers, and you'll pretty quickly start to see where do you want to be, what types of properties have returns that you like, what types of properties might be a fit for you and your lifestyle. Within 1 month, I promise you will have a way better handle on what you're going to want to invest in if you just take the time. Set a goal. Maybe it's 1 property a day, 5 properties a week. Within 1 month's time, you'll be very surprised how comfortable you get with the properties that are out there, and you'll figure out what you're going to want to invest in. So once you take a little bit of time and you work through finding the value and understanding the true value of investing in real estate, once you take the time to figure out the money situation and find a good lender or find a business partner out there. And once you take the time to analyze some properties, you'll be really surprised how excited you'll be and how comfortable you'll feel moving forward on getting your first investment property. If you ever have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, my team. We're always here to help you be successful in real estate.